I attract money, wealth is in my reach. I got everything I want and everything I need. I keep my mind open, abundance overflows. I budget right and I know where all my money goes. I am debt free and money works for me. Money in my sleep, a magnet for prosperity.
All right. What up, Kingdom Builders? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Ebony Yvonne, your favorite business strategist in these internet streets. Welcome to Soul Struggle Land, where I help coaches, consultants, and online course creators go from confused to the cash generating boss that we both know you are meant to be. In today's video, I am giving you guys a very exclusive sneak peek, okay, into the new Soul Struck uniform. So I am really big on, number one, letting what you offer be the foundation of your business, right? Really being able to serve other people and provide a good customer experience. And now that I have basically built a strong foundation of a solid product, knowing exactly who my audience is, I am really starting to get into more marketing materials and branding for Soul Struck, which is why now I have an official Soul Struck uniform. All right, so let me show you guys what we have now. So these are the new Soul Struck shirts, and I'm going to open them for you and show you guys exactly what they look like. And stay tuned because I have a very special announcement on the back, right? All right, so the first shirt that I have is just a baseball tee that has the Soul Struck logo on it. I love this shirt right here. This shirt you will probably see whenever I'm going to be out at events and in my online trainings and workshops, all right? So you're probably going to see this shirt right here a lot. You are going to see this in my webinars and different places like that. You may even see it in a couple of YouTube videos in the future, all right? So this is the first shirt that I have. The next one is a black shirt that also has the logo. You guys, first of all, I'm obsessed. I love the fact this comes with a little care card for how to maintain these shirts, if you guys can see that. I got these shirts from Quintessential Designs. They were able to create these t-shirts with my logo for me. And we've also talked about creating some other marketing materials, so stay tuned for that. And then also this shirt right here, I wanted a shirt that had pink on it. I'll definitely be getting other colors as well. They're in my logo and branding colors. But this is what we have to start. So this shirt right here, you have the Soul Struck logo again on this shirt. And then on the back of it, guess what? It says, hey, my name is Ebony Yvonne, and I am ready to help you start and grow your business. And I wanted to get this shirt, number one. Again, I will be wearing these shirts, this one as well as this white one here, in future YouTube videos. But I will also be wearing these at events when I'm out, and even just when I'm out shopping and in public. So you guys know in one of my videos, I talked about offline marketing strategies. And this is a great way for you to market your business offline. If you're in a grocery store, if you're shopping, if you're at events, you can definitely plug yourself. If you do vending tables, definitely think about getting some type of branded uniform for when you're at events so that you can actually market your business that way as well. So this is the black shirt that we have. And last but not least, we also have this in white. Oh, this is so cute. The back says like us on Facebook, okay? So make sure you guys go over to Quintessential Designs and give them a like on Facebook. and tell them your girl Ebony Yvonne sent you. And if you're looking to get your logo on custom tees and create your own work uniform, then definitely head over to Quintessential Designs. All right, so this one is the same as the black one. It has the logo on the front, and then the back it has the same message. It says, my name is Ebony Yvonne and I am ready to start and grow your business. So this is the new Soul Struck uniform, you guys. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the new uniform? Do you like it? Do you have a business uniform for yourself? Like, do you have something that you typically wear when you show up online or offline? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely let me know what you think about our logo and our t-shirt that we will be wearing to events now that the world is starting to open back up, and then also in YouTube videos. So I get so tired of having to remember what I've worn in videos and picking out outfits for videos. And if I wear something twice in a video, y'all will definitely tell me, right, that I wore that before, because in real life your girl wears her clothes more than once. Okay. All right, but anywho, in the future, you will probably see any combination of those shirts at any given time. You may see some other colors pop up from time to time, but let me know what you think about the new Soul Struck uniform, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you already know the drill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right there so that you will be notified next time I upload another video. And make sure you check out these two videos right here in the meantime to keep yourself entertained and informed. All right, bye y'all.